Hi, we will make the comparison between this Chinese router or Tupi against the Bosch Gfk 600. If we start with the Chinese one, I received it like this, the box, a little smashed, but fortunately complete. It was wrapped in a bag like that and had a rather nice aspect. The base is 100% acrylic or something like that, and this knob only releases it from the base. Also, it comes with some accessories like this guide, a roller guide like this, and seems okay. The roller is just without any bearing, is just a roller, okay, and this cast aluminum, and small wrench for the chuck, and another piece of the guide. Now the Bosch unit, receiving this in nice plastic box, okay, like a carrier, and quite nice. Oh, open. Okay, so I received it like this with instruction manuals, which is non-existent, wrench, much better. The guide in a much thicker steel. For a comparison, you can see the difference: Bosch thickness, Chinese thickness. Okay, half. And the roller, where you have an actual roller, okay, much better quality, much thicker aluminum and cast aluminum. Notice that the Bosch unit also came with this 1/4 inch collet in addition of the 6 millimeters. The unit itself is much stronger. The foot is part transparent acrylic and aluminum. Okay, it also easily slide off, and the unit is much more compact, and plastic and aluminum side by side. Units are quite similar, but the diameter is different. This is 51 millimeters, this is 71, which makes ideal for the open build 71 millimeters. In this case, it doesn't fit. In the case of the Bosch, it fits perfectly. So you are building, if you are planning to build your own C-beam or any other machine, you should choose the 71 millimeter, and of course maybe choose the Bosch unit. Functionally, the Bosch unit runs this way. Chinese one runs this way. Noise is similar for both units, but again, weight, this is a little lighter. This is probably a little more weighty because of the aluminum construction. After running for a while, both take some temperature. Well, after a while, a couple of minutes, as you see in the thermal camera, this unit is rather hot. I barely can put my hand on and sustain. The case of the Bosch, it is warm, yes, but I can put my hand without any problem. In the shaft, both units are quite in the same temperature, barely can touch it too much, in the probably around 50-55 degrees centigrade. But the Bosch unit is much colder than the Chinese one. It's just running without any load. Bosch unit, Chinese unit, much quieter. In terms of the choke, the Chinese unit uses a simple choke with this collet. Is one opening, very simple. It's a 1/4 inch. However, it cannot hold 6 millimeters without any modification. Bosch unit has a different collet, is much better, and can hold perfectly 6 millimeter bits. It also holds 1/4, but supports very well the 6 millimeters. ER type collet. ER is much longer than the Bosch. Okay, it's a little different, but Bosch can support the bit, no problem. Okay, in this case it floats a little bit and don't hold it very well. Okay, so decision is on you. Again, Chinese works, it's a little thinner. In general, it's not bad. I don't know long term, but Bosch also is get very hot in the axis. It's hot, but runs the body runs very colder than the Chinese one. Okay, yes, this is plastic body, this is metal body, so probably that's the difference in terms of the temperature observed on the outlet. Okay, it's rather similar. Both units are a little different. Bosch seems, much better. However, it cost almost 3 times. Okay. Hopefully, this video helps you on the decision. In the long term, I can place another video where we can test this working. I have to make an adapter for this and work on my C-beam CNC machine, I don't know, a couple of weeks from now on. Thank you. See you.